Today I'm going to try something I haven't tried before. I've got my wood chipper I received from Derette, attached my Derette V1000, and I'm going to see if the Kubota diesel does better than the gasoline powered unit. I had a Derette DRT 480 with a Honda GX690 gasoline engine I've used the wood chipper on, but never on a diesel. So let's try and see if we can get some bigger material through this chipper and how it does. This wood chipper attachment does require 3 hydraulic lines. It requires the normal 2, flip the auxiliary, plus the case drain. This is why you need a pressure relief on your fittings, because this is not going to go on. Super frustrating. Sometimes these lines can be difficult. There we go. Wood chipper attached. Let's start off back here in the woods where I mulched a trail recently. Bunch of down trees here. It seems like a pretty easy way to move a wood chipper around. Have it attached to a mini skid. Looks like it does pretty well. want to see what it did? All this sawdusty mulch is what came out of this. So, yeah, I'm gonna say it's a win. It snowed out here just now. Okay, let's go take it somewhere else and try it on some different material. Works pretty darn well, honestly. easier than dragging everything to a burn pile. So quick little test of a Kubota D902 in the V1000 with a wood chipper. I'm pretty sure it did a little bit better because it just chewed through some of that stuff. Now, is it the strongest thing in the world? No. Does it work for some general cleanup? Yeah. So what I normally would do is I'd come through here with a wagon and I'd pick up all the sticks and I'd load them in a wagon. We'd drag them over to the other side of the property to a burn pile. But like this, I don't have to worry about it. I just mulch it up in the wood chipper and I've got nice, some really nice mulch, I guess it is, wood chips. It kind of looks like a kid's playground, you know? See? All these nice wood chips. So that's actually a nicer covering than some of the dirt I've left behind when I mulched this area. So I might come through and just start eating up all these sticks when I have some more time on my hands. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch, but I'm gonna come through here and get rid of all these vines and then come through and mulch it with the mulcher, because these vines won't feed. And these are nasty little things. Like, you see all these thorns on these? I don't know if you can see those on the camera, but these have nasty thorns. Like I got pinpricks because my gloves aren't thick enough. So if you are interested in getting one of these, I did get this from Derette as well as this machine. The only place I know of in the US that stocks Derette machines and equipment is GSA Equipment out of Ohio. I'll put links in the description to both of those. And as time goes on, I have more cool toys. I have I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more mini skids to show you guys on the channel from various companies and different places. And I have 1, 2, 3, at least 3, and I think a few more mini excavators to show you guys, do you some overviews on. So I'm going to keep playing with the machines. I'm going to see what works, what doesn't work. And this was a pretty good test. So you know you're not going to do some big, huge 4 or 5 inch branches and wood on this. This is a twig chipper, and it works great for my purposes for this sort of stuff. But yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really important to me and the growth of the channel. And besides that, have yourself a great day. Enjoy your time out here in the trees, and we'll see you on the next one. Really should wear jeans because my legs are getting all cut up with the stupid thorns.